Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to press Caesar electric heat transfer vinyl using my Stahl's Max Press. So I am over here at my heat press. I am using a Stahl's 15x15 Max Press. You can get it on our website at therhinestoneworld.com. I'll post a link in the description to this press as well. So I have my t-shirt already. This is a J America glitter t-shirt. I really love using these because they have this nice metallic-y thread through it, but it's not itchy on the inside. It's nice and smooth. So we're going to lay this down on our press, and I have my heat press already warmed up. It's set to 305 degrees. So I'm going to do what's called a pre-press. I'm going to bring down my press, and I'm going to take out the moisture and wrinkles from my shirt. And I'm also using this opportunity to see how my pressure is on my shirt. So pressure pretty much is one of the three factors that help your heat transfer vinyl adhere. You have your temperature, pressure, and dwell time, or the amount of time that your vinyl has heat. So if you don't have good pressure, basically you're heating up your vinyl and putting it down, but it's not actually being pressed into the shirt. So for my pressure, for my Caesar vinyl, I use medium to firm pressure. Some heat presses will have a readout that gives you a numeric value. I kind of use the rule of thumb, my press should really kind of fight me a little bit as I close it. If it just closes with no resistance, then your pressure is really low. So I have my vinyl here. This is my Caesar electric. I have this in rose gold. Of course, I do have a video on cutting this material. I will link it in the description below for you. We're just going to go ahead, put it on our shirt. I'm going to use my protective cover sheet, and we're going to go ahead. Again, my heat press is set to 305 degrees. We're going to bring this down for 15 seconds. So my press is done. Let's take this cover sheet off. And so my EasyWeed is a hot or cold peel, so of course I'm going to peel it hot. So let's go ahead, lift up on the carrier. You can see my vinyl is staying behind. It looks really great. And if I hold it up closer to you, you should be able to see there's a little bit of the texture of the shirt through there. That's a really good sign. That means I have a good press. So if you're pressing your Caesar vinyl and it kind of looks like loose maybe, it's just sitting right on top, then you want to press it again with a little bit more pressure because it's not getting actually into your garment. So there's my quick video on how to press Caesar electric EasyWeed. Now if you want to find more videos on how to use the material, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube so you don't miss any more videos.